What it is, what it do, it's your girl, should it be, aka Finest Nigerian. I am back at it again with another video. This is like a get ready with me slash review, eyelash review. I got this eyelashes in the mail. Guys, you guys are not gonna believe I got this eyelashes in the mail yesterday. And I got them for $3. It was actually less than $3. It was like $2.80 something cents. And I got them on Aliexpress. They took about a month to get here. And we're going to be trying it on. It is the 3D MINK lashes, and we're going to be trying it on. I am nervous, but I'm not going to talk about the lashes right now. I will talk about the lashes when we get there. But I'm not gonna believe I've put on foundation, I've put on concealer, and I've just really been talking the whole time, and I did not even start the camera. Yeah, only my goofy self would do such thing. Anyway, this video is a get ready with me video, which is why I'm like, I'm just gonna start it in the middle of the video anyway. It's just a get ready video with me. It's not really a tutorial. I used my Fenty Beauty foundation. I used Ardell, I don't even know what it's called, and I can't find it right now. Okay, here it is. I used this Ardell dark brown. It's like an eyebrow marker. So that is what I used on my eyebrows. And anyway, I did my eyebrow off camera anyway. I was gonna do that on camera anyway. So y'all just literally missed me applying foundation and concealer. Now I'm just gonna do my eyeshadow. I want to put a little bit of eyeshadow on. I'm not really big on eyeshadows, so I'm gonna put an eyeshadow on. And I got some lashes on Aliexpress. They were about less than $3. It was like $2.80 something cents. I think 89 or less than that cents. But I mean, for less than $3 lashes, come on now. So I was like, I'm gonna get this. I'm typically not like an eyelashes wearing type of a person. I really just like to put mascara on and go. I believe putting false lashes on only rips off your real lashes. So I try not to put false lashes on too much and just leave my lashes alone and let it blossom on its own. And plus, I already have long curly lashes. All I usually need is mascara. But you know, every now and then a girl needs like to add a little oomph to the look every now and then. I'm using my Morphe brushes palette in 350M. This is a whole palette, and they've made like plenty of more palettes since then, and my ass still using the same old palette because I won't even be wearing eyeshadows like that. So stick to the same palette. So I'm using my Anastasia. It is like a glow kit, and I'm going to be putting that a little bit of blush, you know what I mean? I like blush all over my face. If you've been watching my I am going to be using my Anastasia Glow Kit Spectra that I used on my eyelid. I'm going to be using that also on my cheek. This is my fall makeup look. I know. I don't want to make it a typical brown orange makeup look. I think purple is about to be in style, so it's about to be in season again. So I'm just putting that everywhere as needed. Now I'm using my Morphe brushes 12P, and I'm going to take this purplish, it's like a dark, no, I think I should use this purple shade. I'm going to mix this purple and blue together and put it on the bottom lid of my eye. You know what, because this purple shade on my bottom eyelid is so pretty, I'm going to add it right here to the corner of my eye. If I'm doing my eyeshadow, it's just always a mess. But in the end, it comes together. So I'm just adding a little bit of purple right there. So yeah, that's the eyes. Now the eyes is done. Outside of me applying eyeliner later on, that's later. But for now, eyeshadow is on. We're not gonna move on to the rest of the face. I had put concealer on, so I'm just now gonna set my face. Ooh, I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty setting powder. I'm using my Mary Kay foundation time-wise. I use this foundation Bronze 8 because it is a really dark shade. I used it as a contour cream. Now I'm using my Bella Pierre contour and eyelash palette, and I'm just going to take this brown right here. I use this shade over my contour. So guys, I wanted to take the opportunity to review the eyelashes that I got from Aliexpress. Guys, these lashes these lashes are less than $3, okay? And it is about 1, 2, hold on, let me count how many pairs of lashes we have in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold on, it's hard to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 pairs of lashes, of 3D MINK lashes for $2.89. Like literally. So honestly, I'm not a big eyelash wearer. I don't know if I've mentioned before, I am more of a mascara girl, but I decided to do like a get ready with me video today and also review these lashes for y'all and try them on and see what they look like. I'm not gonna lie, based on first look, this lashes scares me. It scares me. It's like, let me pull it out. Look at it. I don't know if y'all. It's like super fanny and just huge, and it's like scary because I usually wear like the small lashes and stuff, so this is like the biggest eyelashes of all time, and I'm so scared. Yeah, I'm so scared to put them on, but let's put them on, okay? Let me put them on and I'll be right back. Oh my goodness. Y'all seen my lashes? Oh my god, look at this face, and then look at this. Oh my goodness. It is huge. It is long. It is huge, and I know I picked this like design or whatever, like this type, but I wasn't expecting it to be like super long and just huge. And this is what I'm saying. Look at this. You can even see my eyeshadow. And some girls put this on and it literally just covers your whole eye. It's not even on completely, but I just want y'all to see. This is ridiculous. Like, just, it's like a fan flapping. Don't even go jet skiing with this on, because the wind, there was a time I went jet skiing with long lashes and my eyes just kept flapping like this. I couldn't even keep my eyes open because it just kept like a bird. And this is what this reminds me of right now. I can just picture it flapping. Y'all see? Yeah, guys, this is the lashes. I am scared to put the second one on, but let's put the second one on and see. Because this feels heavy. Like, my eyes has to be like this. Because I can't even do this. Looks crazy. Maybe it doesn't look bad on camera. Maybe it does. I can't really tell. Let's put the second one on and I'll be back. Okay guys, now we have both lashes on, y'all. It just looks crazy. It's two truly look wild. They're wild. I know it's like from far, maybe on camera it doesn't look really as bad, but in person it literally looks like a bird's wings. That's just like, and my eyes is like flapping. And yeah, I don't think these are my type of false lashes. They're just not for me, just because it is big, it is long. I know some girls really love this type of lashes, but as for me, in my personal opinion, just too much. It's too much for me. It is too dramatic. They're wild, and it's just like, it calls attention to your eyes, and I don't know if it's really good attention. I'm not really sure what kind of attention this eyelashes cause, but so you might like it. It might 3D mink lashes might be for you. The long ones, it might be for you, but for me, it's not for me. You know what I'm saying? So I'm about to even like give out some of these lashes to some of my friends, you know, because I just know it is not for me. Like, literally, eyes are flapping. Anyway, let's now move on to my makeup. Let's look at my makeup. This is my fall makeup look. This lashes probably don't even let y'all see my eyeshadow because it literally covers it all. A little purple and pink, and yes, it is a fall makeup look. Simple, cute, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see the highlight right there? Yeah. Fall makeup look, eyelashes, a get ready video with me, 3-in-1 video. Just flap. Cause when I do this, it is touching right here. It is weird. With that being said, I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.
This life is dangerous.